One of the most common things we see this time of year, particularly on Thanksgiving Day, is the pain and agony of the distended abdomen. So what you're gonna do if you run into this situation, number one, you're gonna remove the food source. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. There's a lot of turkey and cranberry. Now, if the patient gets a little resistant, that's all right. You flip on a football game, that patient will be out sedated like that. Moving on, let's go ahead and work on relieving the pressure of that distended abdomen. Get into your first aid kit, grab your trauma shears, take hold of that belt, and cut the belt. We need to relieve the pressure. Secondary to that, it's totally okay to undo the top button. That works really well. But step number one, remove the food source. Number two, cut the belt. It's all about cutting the belt. All right, so the safest way to cut the belt, get your fingers underneath, run the trauma shears, and watch what happens. This patient will get immediate relief.
Ooh.
How are you feeling, bud?
Oh yeah, much
better?
Yeah. Ooh.
All right.
Yeah.
So the key is once you cut that belt, you're gonna notice an immediate relief from your patient.
I did. Yeah.
You feel better?
Whoa.
Now, your patient can help you out in a situation like this. You can be like, hey, if you need to, go ahead and unbutton your top button. That's totally fine if that helps as well.
This is perfect though. Yeah, that's great.
All right, I'm gonna pop on the game. You relax.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh, thank you.
All right, guys.
True pro.
All right, guys, of course we're kidding around here, but we do hope you have a great and safe holiday season. Eat all the cranberries and turkey and pies you want. Enjoy yourselves.
Happy Thanksgiving.